What's up, everybody? Thank y'all for tuning in. Appreciate it. I go by the name of SkyeTV, and in this video, we're going to cover a few ways. Not in a few ways, but we're going to cover how you can save up to 10 bands, to that 10K. Okay? So let's begin. So now you're sitting at home, and the average person always be like, man, I wish I had 10K. I wish I could save up to 10K. Or whatever you're saying. Most people have the saving goal of reaching 10K. I did. And it's always just like that milestone. The only issue with that milestone is sometimes it can seem impossible to reach. It can seem impossible. But the biggest mistake y'all make is you will never reach that 10K mark if your expenses is more than your income. Okay? I'm gonna say it again. You will not reach 10K if your expenses, your monthly expenses, exceeds your monthly income. That will never work. So now you need to fix that. You need to fix that equation that's leaving you in a negative every month. And the only way to fix that is you can either decrease your expenses or increase your income. You need to do one of those two things, and that will put you in the green monthly. It'll put you in a positive every month, and then that will help you reach that 10K savings goal. And I already know it's gonna be a lot of y'all out there saying,
how am I gonna increase my income? How am I gonna decrease my expenses?
And the answer I have for y'all is I don't know. It varies from person to person. I can say maybe get a second job, maybe get a side hustle, maybe get a roommate if you live on your own, maybe opt for going out less. I don't know. It varies from person to person, so I can't tell you that. I can just tell you the equation and what you might need to fix to save 10K. Can't tell you how to do it step by step, because that's consulting and that's an extra paycheck, extra pay, but I can't wait to tell you to do that. I don't know everybody's situation. So you always need to make sure your income is more than your expenses. But what did work for me and what should work for the majority of people is to live a minimalist lifestyle. I'm about to read the definition to you guys. So now a minimalist lifestyle, I pulled it up on my computer, is about living with only the things you need. Minimalists are free from the desire to buy and accumulate more. Instead, they find happiness in relationships and experiences. Minimalist lifestyle is basically what that definition was, word for word. Wise words coming from the person wearing 350 Yeezy Boost. But I made sure I reached my goal of 10K, and I made sure I surpassed that and invested my money in mutual funds, stocks, real estate market, and everything else. So I'm okay. This is for you guys. It's okay to not have the things you want and be content. If you're constantly chasing buying things, if you're constantly saying I have 5 pairs of shoes, I need the 6th, 7th, 8th, if you're giving yourself every justifiable reason to buy these things, as in I need this colorway, I need this for trips or a vacation, or I'm treating myself, which a lot of people do, you will always kind of be in that red, always in that negative, because you always spending money on things that doesn't bring any value back to your account or really honestly to your life. Don't be too hyped up in these materialistic items. Always think about your finances first. Be content with what you have. When I was saving up my 10K, I had about 4 or 5 pair of Jordans. I'm a sneakerhead, so I kind of wanted almost every shoe that came out. I wanted all the Yeezys, all the Jordans, everything, and it did. At first I was like, man, I wish I can get it. I was saving up buying this shoe, but at some point I was like, I don't need these items. I don't need that hoodie. I don't need, this and that. I realized that I can separate my needs and my wants. I wanted these items. I didn't need these items. So then when I separated that and I kind of practiced and took a little time, I was able to get rid of the desire of feeling that I need to have the shoes or I need to have that iPhone that came out. So that's the biggest thing. You gotta be content with what you have and realize that you only want these items and they will come in due time. But what's most important is saving that 10K and making sure that you're financially set for any setbacks you might have, for any struggles you might have that's unforeseen in your life. That is what you need. That is what's most important. You need to realize that, and when you separate that and you stop buying or trying to accumulate materialistic items that doesn't have any value, you will be in a great position and in the right direction to save that 10K. And there are different levels of minimalist lifestyle, but I'm recommending to live a moderate minimalist lifestyle. You don't have to go to the extreme. You don't have to sell all your shoes and live with just one pair of shoes and sandals. You don't have to sell all your clothes and only have 2 outfits that you switching from day to day. That's extreme. You can do it if you want, but I'm just saying to live a moderate minimalist lifestyle. Just cut back on your desire to buy materialistic items that don't add any value. Take that money and put it into your savings. Don't go to the extreme unless you want to, because there's people out there who's I'm gonna sell all my shoes and clothes. I'm just gonna wear shorts and sandals. No, you ain't gotta do all of that, okay? So to sum it all up, what I'm basically saying is to reach that goal of saving 10K, make sure that your monthly income exceeds your monthly expenses. How you want to go about it? I have ways you can make money, other videos you can see. I got more videos coming soon in the future, but it all varies. It's preferences. Everybody have a different situation on what they can and can't do, so it's no defined answer for anybody. But one way that works with everybody is to live a moderate minimalist lifestyle. That is one thing you can do, anybody can do, to help them save 10K and to simply have a better quality life. So that's the video for today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. I'm gonna have more videos coming soon as always. Thank you again for watching. Peace. And if you're wondering if I still live a minimalist lifestyle, that answer is yes. I still live a moderate minimalist lifestyle. I like to invest my money in stocks and a bunch of other variety of things. I don't really care too much for materialistic items. I do treat myself every now and then, but nothing too crazy. So the answer to that question is yes. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, and comment. I'm out for real, guys. Peace.